This is hope. This is love. This is compassion. This is a second chance. This is Casper dog Refugee. Because every animal deserves a life free from hunger, pain and fear. For over 20 years, we've provided safety and care for the vulnerable animals that roam Sri Lanka's streets. We've educated communities because awareness inspires action, and we've worked together because real change takes all of us. Our next chapter begins in Alawa, Sri Lanka, where we're building a sanctuary for our friends in need. Join us, play an active part, or simply share our message. Come see what's possible when compassion leads the way.